Tubuline Nitro 275 RS. The NIT RO Rancher series, specifically the NIT RO RS spreaders, are designed to meet the demands of smaller agricultural operations. These spreaders offer precise metering capabilities in a format tailored to the needs of smaller farms. Their primary purpose is to help farmers maintain clean yards while effectively delivering nutrient-rich materials to their fields. One notable feature of the NIT RO RS spreaders is their removable beater assemblies, which provide added value and functionality. This feature allows the NIT RO spreader to operate as a rear discharge trailer with a live floor when it's not being used for spreading. This versatility enables farmers to utilize the equipment for other purposes when not actively spreading materials. Overall, the NIT RO RS spreaders from the NIT RO Rancher series offer smaller operations the opportunity to achieve efficient nutrient distribution while adapting to their specific needs. Hydraulic rotary mower. The MP653 wide area rotary mower is a ride-on mower that offers productivity, durability, and safety features. Here are the key features highlighted in your description. Productive and strong decks. The MP653 mower is equipped with robust cutting decks designed to handle wide areas efficiently. These decks are built to withstand demanding mowing conditions, ensuring productivity and high-quality results. Safe working features. The mower incorporates safety features to promote safe operation. While the specific safety features are not mentioned, they are likely designed to protect the operator and bystanders during mowing tasks. The MP653 wide area rotary mower is positioned as a high-quality option for mowing long grass. It combines powerful performance, durable construction, and safety features to serve as a benchmark for batwing rotary mowing. For more specific details, specifications, and additional features, it is recommended to refer to the manufacturer's documentation or contact them directly. NEX-AT. The NEX-A T56M is a high-powered truck designed for heavy-duty applications. Here are some key specifications you provided. 1. 1100 HP. The NEX-A T56AM is equipped with a powerful 1100 horsepower engine. This indicates a significant amount of power, suitable for hauling heavy loads or operating in challenging terrain. 2. 17,000 liters. The truck has a large capacity fuel tank with a capacity of 17,000 liters. This allows for extended driving range and reduces the need for frequent refueling. Unfortunately, I don't have specific information about the NEX-AT brand or the complete details of the 56M model. It's possible that this information is specific to a particular market or region, or it could be a newer or less well-known product. For more specific details or inquiries about the NEXA T56MA, it would be best to reach out to the manufacturer or consult their official documentation. CropCare Double Reel Plastic Mulch Lifter Wrapper. The CropCare Double Reel Plastic Mulch Lifter Wrapper is a specialized agricultural equipment designed for the efficient removal and wrapping of plastic mulch in crop fields. Here are some key features and functions typically associated with this type of equipment. 1. Plastic mulch removal. The Double Reel Plastic Mulch Lifter Wrapper is specifically designed to lift and remove plastic mulch from fields. Plastic mulch is often used in agricultural practices to suppress weed growth, retain soil moisture, and regulate soil temperature. 2. Double reel system. The equipment is equipped with a double reel system, which consists of 2 rotating reels. These reels are responsible for lifting the plastic mulch from the field, preparing it for wrapping. 3. Wrapping capability. In addition to removing the plastic mulch, the equipment can also wrap it into rolls for easy disposal or recycling. This feature streamlines the cleanup process and ensures efficient handling of the used plastic mulch. 4. Efficiency and productivity. The Double Reel Plastic Mulch Lifter Wrapper is designed to improve efficiency and productivity in the field by automating the process of mulch removal and wrapping. The fruit pump, built by PROINNOV. A fruit pump machine is a specialized piece of equipment used in the agricultural or food processing industry to handle and transport fruit pulp, juice, or puree. It is designed to efficiently extract or transfer fruit-based liquids in various processing applications. While specific features may vary depending on the manufacturer and model, here are some general characteristics often associated with fruit pump machines. Pumping mechanism. Fruit pump machines typically utilize a pumping mechanism, such as a centrifugal or positive displacement pump, to move the fruit-based liquids. The type of pump used may depend on factors like the viscosity of the product and desired flow rate. Stainless steel construction. Due to the sanitary requirements of the food industry, fruit pump machines are commonly constructed using stainless steel materials. Stainless steel is resistant to corrosion and easy to clean, ensuring hygienic operation. It's important to note that the specific features, capabilities, and specifications of fruit pump machines can vary significantly among different manufacturers and models. Brewer Kesmac 6000 TS. The Brewer Kesmac 6000 TS automatic slabber is a specialized machine designed for cutting and processing turf slabs or sod. It is commonly used in the landscaping, turf farming, and sports field industries. Here are some key features and functions typically associated with this equipment. 1. Automatic slabbing. The 6000T S automatic slabber is designed to automate the process of cutting turf slabs from a roll or field. It utilizes advanced cutting mechanisms to efficiently slice through the turf and create consistent size slabs. 2. High production capacity. This machine is built for high production rates, allowing for rapid and continuous slabbing of turf. It can handle large volumes of turf in a short amount of time, increasing overall productivity. 3. Precise cutting mechanism. The cutting mechanism of the 6000T S automatic slabber is engineered to provide precise and clean cuts. This ensures that each turf slab is uniform in size and shape, meeting the desired specifications. 4. Adjustable slab thickness. The machine offers adjustable settings to control the thickness of the turf slabs. This flexibility allows for customization based on specific application requirements or customer preferences. 5. Operator-friendly controls. The 6000T S automatic slabber is equipped with user-friendly controls that make it easy for operators to set up and operate the machine. This includes features like intuitive interfaces and adjustable cutting speed. Six. Durable construction. The equipment is typically constructed with durable materials to withstand the demands of heavy-duty turf processing. This ensures longevity and reliability, even in rugged working conditions. 7. Efficient handling and stacking. Some models of the Brewer Kesmac 6000TS automatic slabber come with additional features for handling and stacking the turf slabs after cutting. This helps streamline the workflow and optimize efficiency. It's important to note that specific features and functionalities may vary depending on the model and optional accessories chosen for the Brewer Kesmac 6000T S automatic slabber. For detailed information, including technical specifications and operation instructions, it is recommended to refer to the manufacturer's documentation or contact them directly. ROP, a Navarro Mayos. The ROP, a Navarro Mayos 2015, is a specialized machine used for harvesting renewable raw materials, Navarro, such as biomass crops or energy crops. It is commonly employed in the agricultural and bioenergy industries. Here are some key features and functions typically associated with this equipment. 1. Biomass harvesting. The Navarro Mayos 2015 is designed to efficiently harvest biomass crops, including various energy crops like maize, grass or miscanthus. It is equipped with specialized harvesting technology to cut and collect the biomass effectively. 2. High-capacity harvesting. This machine offers high-capacity harvesting capabilities, allowing for the efficient collection of large volumes of biomass in a short time. This enhances overall productivity and reduces harvesting time and costs. 3. Efficient chopping and loading. The Nawarro Mouse 2015 typically incorporates a chopping mechanism to cut the biomass into smaller pieces, facilitating easier handling and transport. It also includes a loading system to efficiently load the harvested biomass into transport containers or vehicles. 4. Versatile adjustability. The machine offers adjustable settings to accommodate different crop types and field conditions. This includes adjustable cutting heights, chopping lengths, and other parameters to optimize the harvesting process based on specific requirements. Five. Easy maintenance and operation. The Nawarro Mouse 2015 is designed for user-friendly operation and maintenance. It typically features intuitive controls and access points for quick and convenient maintenance tasks, ensuring minimal downtime. 6. Robust construction. This equipment is built with sturdy materials to withstand the demands of biomass harvesting in various terrains and conditions. It is designed to be durable and reliable, even during intensive use. 7. Integration with transport systems. The Nawarro Mouse 2015 can often be integrated into existing transport systems or containers for seamless transfer of harvested biomass. 7. This facilitates efficient and organized logistics in biomass supply chains. It's important to note that specific features and functionalities may vary depending on the model and optional accessories chosen for the ROP A Nawarro Mouse 2015. A Nawarro Mouse 2015. For detailed information, including technical specifications and operation instructions, it is recommended to refer to the manufacturer's documentation or contact them directly.